Alright guys, so here's a little update on the Logitech G930. So I got those replacement pots because I was not be able properly to wash to clean up as you saw in the video. It was really hard to clean up. And I got these I bought for $5. They actually work quite well. They are a little bit too small, as you can see, a little bit stretched up, but they still look well. I think they look good right here. This thing is still holding. I already redesigned new version of this to have this pin a little bit longer, but so far so good. They're still holding pretty well. But after I got these, I actually clue in how to wash those, and the keyword is wash. As you see, they are pretty much cleaned up from this gunk, well, except few places. It's still there, but it's not gonna be a problem. So what I've done, I took soap and I just washed them under the sink. That's it. So in the bathroom faucet or bathroom sink, I just washed them very well, and all this crud actually came off eventually. It took me probably a few minutes. They're still kind of dropping some of this kind of crud. Probably not gonna never stop, but at least this surface is nice and clean. So I'm gonna still keep them just in case, because this can get dirty pretty quickly. I think they can get dirty and they can rip off, instead of going and frantically looking for new ones. I'm gonna have this as a backup, so I'm still gonna keep them. Yes, I got those inexpensively, and if you are interested, I also gonna provide link to them. Just gonna fix your Earpads. Alright, that's gonna be it for today.